Once again, welcome back to our new video. Today I am going to share you a basic operator which is called increment or and decrement operator. So this operator is very useful when some any integer, if you want to increase the value or decrease, then this operator are very useful for doing this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this in this Kotlin language. Okay, just go to the fun. So fun, this is the first syntax, fun parenthesis, and that this body declare two variables. Okay, let's say equal to 10, b equal to 20. Okay, right plus plus. Okay, and put here, sorry, right plus plus and put here a and print this name. Okay, let's run this program. So as you can see, the program is the output is not shown here. So what's the error happened there? So we have already know we have already know that the variable, okay, val variable, any var variables cannot be it's change, or we can say that it's mutable, because the data stored in that variables cannot be changed in val variable. So when we put this val to var variable, then automatically its output says output will be declared. Okay, so let's this change val variable to var variable. Okay, put here var, and now you can see the output says it's 11, 10 plus 1. So we have used the increment functions here. So 10 plus 1 is equal to, sorry, 10 plus 1 is equal to 1, 11. Okay, so let's print this value, print this 20, increase this decrement. Okay, so put print okay, no, first we write the syntax. Let's say we have to increase the 20. Okay, so just print there, print ln, and just put here b, because we have to print this. Okay, again you can see the red, you can see here the red something here shown below b. So actually they're saying that the val variables cannot be changed, so because the data stored in the val variables cannot be changed. So again we change this val to var. Okay, so now the output says 20 plus 1 equal to 21. Okay, so as you can see, this is 1121. So we put here print ln to okay, expand that into expandations will be much better. Okay, so print here the functions, print ln functions we will use here. Okay, so just run this program, and as you can see, so for this a value, 10 plus 1 equal to 1, 11, and b 21. So now suppose if you want to add a value, okay, plus 2 and increase by 1, so what will we do? So just go to this functions, print and functions, and just write here arithmetic operations plus and just put here 1, or as you can say, let's we will increase by 1 and we add to, let's say, 20. Okay, so what we here do that 10 plus 1 equal to 11, and 11 plus 20 become equal to 31. So as you can see, the output says is 31. Okay. So this is the way of doing the increment or decrement functions. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to decrease any integer using decrement operator. Okay. So let's go to just here and just write the variables, and after the variables just write double negative signs. Okay. And print this variable. Print. Use this print functions. Okay. Print ln, and just write here there variable a. Okay. And just close the body. Okay. And run this program. So as you can see, our variables a decreases by 1. Okay. So let's do to variable b also. Okay. Just use same as that we have done here for a. So just write here the b variables. Okay. And after d just write doubles. Okay. And just use the print functions. Okay. Print ln functions b. Okay. And just run the program. So as you can say, 20 minus 1 become equal to 9. So this is the to operator to use the use for increment or decrement to any integer, or you can take a variable as decimal also. Okay, to apply the increment or decrement functions. Let's take some okay, decimals digit. Okay, let's put a 10 point something 99. Okay, 10.9. Run the program. So you can see here also work here. Okay, so this is the two operators to use to increase or decrease. Let's try to some another things here. We have declared the two var variables. Now suppose if you want to decrease the you can say decrease the variables by 1 and multiply to some any integer like 10 or 11. So just go to the print functions and just write here any star arithmetic operator to multiply any integer. Okay, and just put here, let's say to any values like 20. So let's see the outputs what will be here. So you can see the outputs is very correct here. So 10 minus 10.99 minus will become equal to some value will givens and just multiply to 20. So you can do this very easily by using the increment or decrement. So this is the two operators to use this type of programming in Kotlin. Okay, thank you everyone.